Alright, what's going on, boys? Today I'm gonna break down how I produced Top Shelf by Charlie. If you guys haven't heard it, I don't know what you guys are doing. I'll play a little snippet right now.
Pull up, smell like ganja at the spot. Pose up in my whip, yeah, you can tell it that you squats.
Pull up, smell like ganja at the sport. Let's get into the breakdown. Alright, so I started with this right here. Cheese movie. Got these chords right here. Pull up, see what I'm saying? And then I added this little sitar kind of pluck thing. That just loops right here. So basically I just made like a motif. So I took this pattern right here, copied it over here, and then just made little changes just to make it sound kind of unique. So it's kind of like a call and response kind of thing going. And then after that, I added this little lead from Surge. And the sound's called GTA Lead. It's in my trials bank, which if you guys want it, links down below. Go check it out. It has like 30 plus sounds, a bunch of leads, stuff like that. So check it out. This is what the first part of the melody sounds like all together. Now we're gonna do the drums. So this is the 808 right here, just the spins. So it's basically the same pattern right here. I just added a few notes, chopped them up, added this little roll. I like doing this, just adds a little variation to it, so it's a little bit less repetitive and a bit more catchy. Then we got the hi-hat. I'll play the 808 and the hi-hat together. And I just added this little high velocity note right here. It just adds a little extra bounce. And then I also got a few perks from Rob's 2K kit, which you guys want it, go check out the kit store, links down below. Then we got these little bongos. So that's all the perks. Here's the first part all together. Now we have the second part right here, which I did a little switch up, which is honestly like my favorite part of the whole beat. It's just super unique. Just has that like Arabic kind of feel to it. And then we got this little, I think this is the crank that stab. And then right here we got this part. This is the best part right here. You know what I mean? Just juiced it up right there. And then debatably the best thing about this whole section right here. See what I'm saying? Like a little theremin. So now this is the switch up part all together. I also changed up the 808 a little bit. And then right here we got another section which just has like a different lead. This gives me like that 50 Cent kind of like 2005 energy right here. But yeah, it's basically just the same thing. I just took this part, copied over, and then switched up some of the notes and also some of like the timings of the notes. And yeah, it just added that like catchy energy to it. And then we got it with these chords right here, which is like the same sound from earlier, but it's just a little bit of a different pattern. And with the drums, we got the bridge. And we got the hook coming back. And now this is what we got all together with the vocals.
Pull up, smell like ganja at the spot. Hoes up in my whip, yeah, you can tell that they do squats. If you talk on
And then what we did after this, because it felt a little bit slow, is we sped everything up a little bit. So this is the final version that's sped.
Pullin' smell like ganja at the spot. Hoes up in my whip, yeah, you can tell that they do squats. If you talk on mayze, then you know Charlie get you squashed. If you talking paper, then you know I need a light. Yeah. I came in with 50. He said wanna match, I said I can't cause yo we shitty. Always smoking top shelf, you ain't, that's a pity. I'm up to some crazy shit, I feel like fucking Diddy. Wait,
You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's a wrap. Like, the best thing about this song is we literally made it in a Discord call and it started completely different. Like, this whole beat started with like some ARP and then somehow turned into this. I just like sent over the loop to Charlie. Charlie just started cooking, and as he was like recording the vocals, I just like finished the beat, and then we just made all our like changes and they got the final version. Out of all the songs I've ever made, this was like the most fun song to make, just because we did it in a call live, you know? We were just like having fun, and then we just brought it all together. And then we got this. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. And also, if you guys want any of these sounds, make sure to go check out some of my kits. Links are gonna be down below. And just have fun when you're making beats. You know, don't put so much pressure on yourself. Try to go into it without any expectations, and just kind of like click random shit. Honestly, just click random shit and have fun. That's how you make like the best beats, and those will be your most memorable beats. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I know, yeah. Fuck it, let's go. She ain't tryna talk about the money that she spending. Know you got some money, but I know you ain't gon' spend it. Had to cut it off, baby, what were you expecting? I might just say fuck it in this beam and driving reckless. 200 racks what I spent on my necklace. 200 flat for the roast just to sell it. Everything you do is what you told, bro, you selfish. Yeah, you selfless. Yeah, let's go.